In Cheney, Washington, when you need reliable electrical repair and installation services, there's only one number to call: 1-866-228-7579. Our team of skilled electricians is available 24/7 to handle any electrical issue that may arise in your home or business. Cheney residents know that electrical problems can strike at any time, day or night. That's why we're proud to offer round-the-clock service, ensuring that you're never left in the dark when it comes to your electrical needs. Whether it's a sudden power outage, a malfunctioning circuit breaker, or a faulty light switch, we'll respond promptly to diagnose and resolve the issue, restoring safety and functionality to your property. From troubleshooting and repairing circuit breakers to installing landscape lighting and smoke alarms, we've got you covered. Our team has extensive experience working with both residential and commercial clients, so no job is too big or too small for us to handle. Whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your lighting fixtures or a business owner in need of electrical inspections and maintenance, we'll tailor our services to meet your specific needs and budget. With our commitment to quality workmanship and customer satisfaction, you can trust us to deliver exceptional results every time. We take pride in serving the Cheney community, and we're dedicated to building long-lasting relationships with our clients based on trust, reliability, and integrity. Don't let electrical problems disrupt your life. Call us now at below number and experience the difference of working with Cheney's premier electricians. Remember, when it comes to electrical repair and installation services, in Cheney, Washington, there's only one name you need to know. Call us now.